I got Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC. The one doesn't have any bloatwares, anything. It's just plain unmolested Windows. And I'm gonna try to get this set up. So first thing first, I'm gonna go and get GameMaker. Installing all the suffering. Okay, so that works. I don't know. Authentication website, please try again. Oh yes, it's those funky, flaky GameMaker bogus. Yeah. Anyways, this was where it all started. The original, the OG GameMaker platformer engine, for what I know so far. This is where it all started. This is where all the code and was more drag and drop kind of a deal, where I started to learn how to build games. And from my current perspective, these things look so primitive. So I wonder, I'm gonna go ahead and run it. Oh great, yeah, computer's not liking that. So it's a very very basic platformer. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. Ow! So I'm gonna go ahead and try to port this to modern GameMaker, and that's gonna be a lot of pain, I think. I don't know. I mean, how hard can it be?
Well, how hard can it be?
Don't say that!
Let's go ahead and export it all so I can get it started. Platform example. Okay, let the suffering begin. And here's the thing about the new GameMaker sprite editor. Like in the old GameMaker, so in the old GameMaker, if you want to copy and paste, you just do this and that, and that's it. But then if you want to count to like the new version of GameMaker, and this is something I in particular dislike about, is that if you want to copy and paste, for example, I copied it, but then the entire thing acts like a brush. So if let's say if I'm choosing a red color, it's gonna paste as a red sprite. Like, I don't know what they're thinking, but it's just making things, they're trying to reinvent a wheel or something, but it's just kind of really jarring to use. 160 will do. Oh yes, I still got the freaking. See, like I just never got used to the sprite editor because it keeps setting to the paste sprite like as a brush. Like that is so jarring. I've been noticing like a lot of these have some weird semi-transparent artifacts on it. So I'm not sure if. Yeah, I just downloaded it on some like old archive website, but I'm not entirely sure if this is like intentional or not. But screw it. Maybe I had to like re-download it. Yeah, and I tried to open it again, and it's doing the same thing gimmicks, because I know the fact that these aren't supposed to be transparent. I guess I could try this, and then hopefully it works, I guess. I don't know. Yes, more suffering. Oh, resource grabbing. So make opaque, yes, and then erase a color. Alright, so what I'm believing to think what happened to like GameMaker 8, because this are actually from GameMaker 7, which doesn't have any transparency until GameMaker 8 introduced transparency. And what I believe is that every time like certain thing got imported to GameMaker 8, it automatically run this kind of code right here. So if I run through smooth edges, it just do that weird transparent artifact. But yeah, I think all the sprites are exported correctly, so let me go and import it. Yes, transparency has been fixed. Okay, so I got all the resources imported, so I guess it's time for me to start building all this. And I'm pretty sure there's a lot of stuff that are no longer being used in modern GameMaker, so I'll try my best to kind of mess around with it and see what happens. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna just use code. I don't know, I'm not chaotic enough to use visual. But anyways, I'm just trying to like put together all these. It was pain in the butt, and I had to like make some compromise. So for example, I try to do some more coding behind the scene, off the camera, and then this are what I can come up with. which are just bunch of, I guess, hackery black magic thing going on. I'm not sure it'll work. So basically, a substitute gamer curse. Let's see if I can load it. So what it does is that it substitute the sleep event, which doesn't support in any newer version of Game Maker in Studio, because what it does is just freeze the window, and that's it. But for our end, we can't just freeze the window. It doesn't have that functionality anymore. So instead, we're just gonna go ahead and create a new instance that freezes all bunch of stuff. So it frees the player, freeze any of that stuff, and then take a screenshot, and then hopefully, I guess, hopefully it works. So let's go and give it a shot.
Ow!
Oh, yes. Okay. I think it's that. Oh, let's try it again.
Ow!
It's not liking it. Yeah, it's really angry at me for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just create an empty sprite. One, yeah, and then do that. I think that'll do it. Oh, yeah, it messes my ADHD as well. It's just the UI is just all over the place. I mean, sure, yeah, it's nice, but it's not uniform. It's all over the place. It's everywhere basically. So okay, we'll get angry over this.
Ow!
Okay, so my code actually worked, but it's just in a weird, funky way. I think that'll do it. I don't know. Let's give it a try.
Ow!
Okay, that's perfect. I think I mastered it. I mean, like,
Ow!
only took me about 2 tries. For some reason, it just works right. Not 2 tries. Just
Ow!
a few tries. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and copy of this. Yeah, so that's gonna be fun. So I've actually copied the entire level to the best of my abilities, and I'm pretty sure there's some stuff that are not exactly the replica. So I guess I'm gonna go and give it a test and see how it works. Huh. Okay, they're just stuck. Hey, are you okay? You're just standing there. I'm right here, man. Huh. That's not even working. Okay, oh, that's why I'm not even using the right thing. And I'm already, like, facing some weird issues when you try to, like, hit the ceiling. And also, this collision is completely broken. Alright, so what I did, I just created a collision mask. Instead of using the sprite, let's give it a try. The player still struggles to climb up to the top. And that too. I may have to do this. Yep, that'll do it. So now I have to fix this. So let me try to fix that. I don't know. That might be an issue. I think that'll do it. I don't know. Oh yeah, it sort of works, and it just falls right off. This ain't gonna cut it. So I guess that'll work. I don't know. Yeah, see, it's like much more stable. I think that'll do it. So the next step I'm gonna go and do is to create a high score board. So it's pretty much like this. Because the newer Game Maker doesn't have it, I will just go ahead and create my own. Well, that almost worked. Okay, so I need to shrink it down a little bit. Yes, much better. Alright, so apparently this isn't working. And I don't know why exactly it's not doing that. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, yeah. And there we have it. Input doesn't work, I think. I don't know. It's just returning empty string like it's not doing anything. There's something wrong with it, I think. I don't know. Oh, it doesn't like that. Okay. Oh, yeah, I can't delete. That's interesting. You know what? I don't know what to do with this. I try to do like manually backspace characters and even try to like do keyboard check, and it just refuse to delete the characters in it. So I'm just been searching through all the documentations and I'm not getting anything besides using AI. And I'm trying to avoid using AI. Am I gonna continue suffering without? I think so. I'm gonna go and keep doing. So if keyboard check doesn't work, I'm guessing this will work. I don't know. Yeah, that doesn't work as well. What if I just erase all of that and just do it like that? I'm not sure if it works or not. No, it just does that. So that's what I'm gonna do. So pretty much I just copy this from here and then try to do that, but I don't think GameMaker GML is going to be happy about it, so I can try to implement it a different way. Yeah, see, AI is not being helpful at all, so... Alright, so I'm gonna go and add a debug message and hit delete. So I'm gonna try to activate, go away. Try to activate it and see if it works or not. Okay, yeah, so it shows delete right here as... So this thing is being called right now, it just doesn't delete. So I'm gonna go ahead and move it down here and see what happens. Why is it getting angry at me for that? Yeah, GameMaker's syntax is weird sometimes. Okay, so it's actually calling this, but it's just not deleting this character. Is it trying to do that? Okay, yeah, now it's working. That's good. So now I'm gonna have to figure out this thing. Because when I hold Control and Backspace, it does that. But if I hold Shift and Backspace, it didn't do anything weird. Oh, Control M breaks it too. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to write a bunch of edge cases to fix all of that. GameMaker in particular doesn't like when you try to like a closing bracket by accident, it doesn't highlight the error that well. I mean, there's one right here, but it's not really visible, so you can easily miss that. Yeah, see if I like do like Control plus Backspace, it deletes the whole thing. Oh great, that's broken. This is where all the fun begins, where I try to like manually input all the special Unicode, because when I try to do something like this, it just creates squares like Control Z, Control C, Control V, and stuff like that. Or you know what? I think I might just be like overdoing it. Oh great! Now I broke everything in the process. That's good. So I couldn't figure out, yeah, the index, because character map 126 is supposed to be that, which is supposed to be everything below here, but for some reason Control C, Control V still getting registered. And honestly, I don't feel like doing all this. This is like too tedious for me, and it's gonna take forever to do it. So I'm gonna try to just show debug message and see what's going on, and then find out. Okay, so I see what's going on. So if I do that, I think by theory that'll work. So go away. Anyways. Yeah, see, it's not registering anything anymore. But for some reason, Control H is not happy about it. It deletes it. That's why. That's why it's registering as backspace. You know what? I'm not gonna do anything at this point. I'm just gonna keep it as a feature. Oh, great. I broke something else in the process. And there we have it. We got the stuff going on. I don't know what's the reasoning for me to put these names, but yeah, that'll do. And all I gotta do is just create a goal for the game. Let's go and wrap it up. Anyways, we are good. Oh, and that resets. That's suboptimal, I guess. Whatever. I'll fix it later. I guess that wraps up for today's video.